Okay, today we will be talking about points. So a point is defined by an ordered pair in the form x, y. So what is x, y? Well, look below. You might recognize the Cartesian plane. And in the Cartesian plane, there are two axes. So we have this axis right here, and this is the x-axis. We have this axis right here, and this is known as the y-axis. Okay, so when we want to define a point, we give the x-coordinate first, and then the y-coordinate. So let's start with A. So we're going to start here. So we want to find the x-coordinate. So along this x-axis, go over, and we see that it's at -3. -3. Now we have to figure out what it is on the y-axis. So we go up, and we see that it is at 4. Okay, so A is going to be -3, 4. Now let's try B. So again, x-axis, go over to 6, and we go up. Where is that on our y-axis? That is at 6. So B is 6, 6. Remember, x first, then y. Let's try C. So x is -1. This time we're going down to -4. So -1, -4. Now our last one, D. So we're going over to 4 and down to -3. So C was -1, -4. And D is 4, -3. Okay. Now we want to be able to plot some points. So now we have -2, 6. We want to plot this. So we have to find the x coordinate and then the y coordinate. So the x-coordinate is -2, so we go over to -2. And then our y is 6, so 6 is right here. I can scroll up a little bit. It's going to be right here. -2, 6. Okay? Now for F, we have 3, 1. So we want to go over to 3 and up 1. 3, 1. Great. That was F. This was E. Now we need G. G is -5, -3. So -5, -3. And that's G. And then lastly, we have H. 2, -4. So we're going over to 2 on the x-axis and down to -4 on the y-axis. And that is H. So now you're ready to practice on your own.